In this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube on Android Auto. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to settings on your phone. Then you want to go to security. And then this is what we have, guys. This at the moment we're on a Huawei. Then what you want to do is you want to go install apps from external sources. So we're going to click on it, and then what we want to do is you want to click on Chrome, and we want to do allow apps installs and want to enable it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to Google, and in Google what we're going to do is we're going to this website, github.com/smielkelsa-AAD. A link to this website will be in the video description down below, guys. So we're going to click on it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to AAD 1.5 release APK. We're going to click on it and we're going to click on download. I already downloaded it, so that's why it says download again. Then what we're going to do is we're going to downloads. And we're going to click on it, and it says, do you want to install this app? And we're going to say install. And we're going to click on open. We're going to click on OK. It takes you to this app, and then we're going to say allow apps to install AAD. And we're going to approve it. We're going back and we're going to click on CarStream. Then we're going to select the latest one, CarStream by Passani 2006. And we're going to click on OK. And it says, do you want to install this application? And we're going to click on install. And we're going to click on open. Allow CarStream to record audio. We're going to say allow. Allow CarStream. We're going to say allow. And then what to do is we want to click here right above, because this is the phone version. We're going to click on the three dots. We're going to click on settings. And we want to enable desktop mode. Then it looks like this, and we can sign in. So the next step what we're going to do is we're going to connect it to our car. So right here I'm in a Hyundai, as you can see, and it says connect a phone reaction device via USB. So I have a cable. I'm gonna plug it right here into the car, and then the other side, as you can see, I'm gonna plug in right here into the Hyundai. Like this. So I just connected it. Yeah, so what we're going to do, just type here on our car, and right, as you can see, guys, right here we have the app CarStream, and we're going to click on that. And guys, as you can see, already we're in YouTube. So what you can do right now, guys, you can click right here above. And then, yeah, you can search what you would like. Let's say as an example, you want to watch Mr. Beast. Click on OK. I need to start my car, but I'm not doing it for the audio, guys. And you want to see the survive 100 days in prison. So let's start it.
Back to school deals. Eerste klas korting op meestelijk veel producten. Of je nu een nieuwe laptop, tablet of computer.
I
built this maximum security prison. And if this cop and this criminal survive 800 days together, I will give them $500,000.
What's going on?
Guys, this is how it looks.
Ian, you guys want to be uncuffed?
So guys, this is how you watch YouTube on Android Auto.